yeah.
Okay, this is my absolute favorite oil, peppermint essential oil. Now, peppermint essential oil is very different from like peppermint flavorings you get in the store or anything else. And if you're getting from a high quality company like Young Living, it's going to be very potent and very powerful. So for some people, it's a bit much, but for me, it's my absolute favorite. So some of the ways I use peppermint, you can use it for sore muscles. Like I've mentioned in other videos, if you are new to oils, please dilute. This is considered a hot oil. So that means for some people, when it's applied right on their skin, it feels hot. So this is why we suggest diluting. Now for me, I've been using it for, I don't know, 7 years or something. And so it doesn't have that reaction on me. But if you have sore muscles, we apply it right on sore muscles. If you have a headache, I like to put it like right along my hairline, not close to my eyes because that would really burn. If you ever get an essential oil in your eye, you don't want to use water. You want to use a fatty oil such as coconut or olive oil and put that right in your eyes, and that will dilute it. Speaking from experience. Also, I like to put this in my water. With essential oils like this, you do not want to put them in a plastic container. You want to use glass or metal, and it will float to the top. So I use a stainless steel straw, stir it around and drink it. I'll put it with my Ninja, put it in lemonade, all kinds of stuff. It's very refreshing and very cleansing, and that's why I like to use it. It's also good for upset stomach and any gut issues you have. So I drink it in my water sometimes for that, to ease a stomach ache. It's good for respiratory. If we have sinus issues or congestion, I like to apply it right on my chest. Again, you would want to dilute for that. And if I've had a sore throat or canker sore or anything like that, I will put peppermint right on my tongue and just take it internally. So again, I am not a doctor, just how I use them and how they benefit me. So again, this is my favorite oil, peppermint. I use it all the time. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and have a great day.